Which synonym belongs to diversity? The correct answer is selection. Which synonym belongs to obloquy? The correct answer is opprobrium. Which synonym belongs to zest? The correct answer is punch. Which synonym belongs to laudable? The correct answer is praiseworthy. Which synonym belongs to fate? The correct answer is celebrate. Which synonym belongs to impediment? The correct answer is obstruction. Which synonym belongs to onslaught? The correct answer is onrush. Which synonym belongs to phenomenon? The correct answer is wonder. Which synonym belongs to shimmer? The correct answer is sparkle. Which synonym belongs to upbraid? The correct answer is cast up. Which synonym belongs to whimsical? The correct answer is quirky. Which synonym belongs to fringe? The correct answer is non-mainstream. Which synonym belongs to prevaricate? The correct answer is tergiversate. Which synonym belongs to inviolable? The correct answer is unassailable. Which synonym belongs to homage? The correct answer is manred. Which synonym belongs to solitude? The correct answer is aloneness. Which synonym belongs to savant? The correct answer is idiot savant. Which synonym belongs to minion? The correct answer is follower. Which synonym belongs to avenge? The correct answer is retaliate. Which synonym belongs to prude? The correct answer is goody-goody.